Hello everyone. So today we will be learning about how we can create visually appealing hoods in Miliastra Wonderland. So here I have created few characters, like these are the Unicode characters. So to get this, basically you need to run this char map, and then here you will get all those Unicode characters which you can use in the UI in the text box. Okay, so here you can see we have many characters. So basically you need to click and then copy from here. Okay, and then you can use here. So you can see here I have, so basically we have these many tags which we can use. This is for bold, this is italics, this is the size, and this is the color tag. Okay, so you can see for size you can specify the size here, and for the color you need to provide the hex value here. Okay, so these are the size and hex value. Similarly you can use bold and italics tag also. Okay, so here basically I will show you how we can create this. So I have created few things here. So first is the shield bar. So if I show you in game, so this is the shield bar. Once enemy hit, 1 point will be deducted from the shield. Okay, so you can see. Okay, so how this is done, basically we have written one script here. Okay, so when attack, then what I'm doing here, I'm basically updating the array, so that for the shield point remaining I'm using this color and this Unicode character, and for the which are lost, that I'm using a different hex value with a different color. Okay, so with this basically for the shield, if I show you, I have written like this. So I'm getting each value from an array and then I'm using that. So if 0 index has shield icons and 0 index have value, then it will be shown in different color, and if that value is lost, then it will be shown in disabled color, means the gray one. Okay, so this is about this. And second thing, I've created one more thing. So if I show you here, so I have created this diary which support dark and light mode. So when the environment changes, it will automatically switch the mode of the diary. Also I've created two buttons. One is the previous page button and the next page button, using which we can change the pages. Okay, so how I have created this I will show you now. So basically for the next button, if I show you, so it consists of this text box, which is the actual text with the color of this, and then here is this icon, Unicode icon, which I am using, and then this is the circle, white circle, which I am using and given the size of 80. So basically I have created this button using the text box. Okay, and using the text box and the different Unicode characters with the different color and size. Okay. So and for the blue background I have used these Unicode characters with the size and color value. Okay. So with this I'm able to create this button, and here is the actual button. So I have used this what we say this thing item display. Okay, so I have used this item display. So when user clicks 2, then it will execute this button, and when user click once, it will execute previous bit. And for the notebook, so basically I have created 2 notebooks. One is this dark. Okay, so here I have used 2 Unicode characters. One is this moon one, and second is this star. And then here I have created the spiral binding kind of thing. Okay, and then here is the page one. So page one I have, so suppose there is one page, so page can have multiple lines. So for that I have created one structure inside that pages, and inside pages we have lines. Okay, so this will look like a page. Okay, and this is the left icon which I have used. Okay, so this is all about this notebook. So I created 2 notebooks. One is this dark one, and one is this light theme. So for the background, basically I have used this symbol only with the size of 300 and color of white. Okay, so this is all about the notebooks. Yeah, and for the shield bar I have already shown this thing, and similarly I have created 2 buttons. So you can see this is a male button, this is a female button. The logic is same only. We created using different text boxes and the Unicode characters. Okay, and you can see here I have created 2 samples, like this is for energy, shield, HP. Okay, and these are all the text which you can use in different scenarios. Like this is for spiral abyss kind of thing. Okay, yeah, that's it for this tutorial. But yeah, one thing remaining. So basically you can also use this deck selector if you want to use a good background. So if I enable this deck selector, so basically this is the deck selector, and then all those icons you can place above that, and then it will look good. So if I move up, you can see now it is looking good, those icons and text. So basically our deck selector without any item will work as a background here. So I haven't configured any items here, so this is working as a good background for our use case. Similarly, if you don't want to use deck selector, you can use this text with the background color of black translucent, so it will also give some background. If I move up, you can see some background is there, but deck selector is the best, or you can use Unicode characters to create a different color background if you want custom background. Okay, similar to this notebook, right, which I have created this white background, and then for this dark color I have created this background. Yeah, so that's it for the UI tutorial. Thank you.